Would you like to play a fun game with me? Every time we push this button, an animal will appear and we'll pretend to be that animal. Are you ready? Say push and I will push the button. Push! A bunny! Our first animal? A bunny. Let's hop like bunnies. Hop, hop. Let's push the button again. Say push and I will push the button. Ready, set, push. A monkey. Let's pretend to be a monkey. Let's be a silly monkey. We were so silly. Again. Ready, set, push. Which animal is this? A penguin? Yes, it's a penguin. Let's wobble like a penguin. Wobble, wobble. Penguins are funny. Let's push the button again. Ready, set, push. A bee? Let's buzz and fly like a bee. Bzzz. Let's push one last time. Ready, set, push. A crab? Maybe we can use our hand as pincers and walk from one side to another. Are you ready? Let's go!